In this video, I'll be showing you how to allow apps to install from unknown sources on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do this on any Android device you're using. But let's say you're trying to download something on Google Chrome. Maybe it's like a launcher for a game or anything like that, but you're getting a pop-up where it's not allowing you to, download it because it's an unknown source and it's not from the Google Play Store. So what you want to do is go over to your settings. So we're going to swipe down on the top right, and then on the top right again, you're going to see the wheel cog icon. Go ahead and click on that and then scroll down. You're going to find apps as one of the options. So go ahead and click on it, and then whatever site you were downloading it from, for example, let's say I was using Google Chrome, all I want to do is find that application. So Chrome is right here for me. And then all I want to go ahead and do is scroll down, and you're going to see install unknown apps. If your one is on like disabled like this, all you want to do is allow it like this, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.